Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and creating a simple scene. Once ready, insert a part named Light Base and parent a point light to it. You need Explorer and Properties panels visible so you can adjust attributes quickly. Next, add a script in Server Script Service to house the code. This keeps behavior server authoritative and predictable. Make sure the point light range and brightness are set to values you want. You will tweak them later when testing in play mode. Now write the core loop that generates rainbow hues. You use math, sin, and a time counter so colors cycle smoothly rather than jumping. Convert HSV to RGB within the script each iteration and assign point light. Color using color 3. From RGB, this lets you control saturation and value separately. Run the loop at about weight 0, 0, 3 or bind to run service. Render stepped for frame synced updates. Once done, add parameters for speed and intensity so you can quickly adjust how fast and bright the rainbow runs. Finish by testing in play mode. Make sure light, range, and brightness match the scene scale and tweak cycle speed for the right effect. If colors are desaturated or incorrect, double-check your HSV to RGB formula and ensure you're using 0-255 or 0-1 ranges consistently. If performance dips, reduce your update frequency or move the effect to a local script so only the viewing client computes it. One troubleshooting tip: if colors flicker, clamp values and avoid extremely small wait intervals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.